For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and the future. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky.Onjahnae. If you are new here, and stick around, watch some other videos after this one, of course. When I say I have not wand curled my hair in years, it's been years, so I love how these curls came out. I forgot how much I actually do love wand curls, but I'm talking a whole lot. Let's get into this video. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Numi wand. I'll leave that in the description bar. This is a really nice wand. It gets really hot and the barrel is quite large. So I love using this when I want them big waves that you saw in the beginning. So anyway, you just want to make sure you detangle your hair prior to curling, because trust me, if you don't do this step, you're gonna definitely see like a wrinkle in your curl. You're gonna be like, what is that? So make sure you definitely detangle your hair prior. Okay, y'all already know I don't like to use a whole lot of products on my hair just because I don't want it to be weighed down. I don't like to build up. This is raw hair, and yeah, don't nobody have time for that. So just spray, just a dot, not a lot, that's it, okay? Especially with wand curls, because they do tend to fall quicker, but you also want to still keep that wave effect without it being crunching. Like, waves should be carefree, and that's exactly why you only need to spray just a little bit of product. Now, when it comes to curling your hair, whether you're using a wand, whether it's a flat iron, a curling iron, the size of your section of hair should be the same size as whatever tool you're using. So when it comes to actually wanding, the technique and creating, not so necessarily wanding, because you can't get regular spiral curls while using a wand. When it comes to actual wand curls, getting that wave look, you want to make sure you twist as you roll, you spin it across as you wrap it around the wand. I know I was talking through that part, but I do have a section where I'm going to slow it down and even zoom in. But you see how carefree and flawless that wave is. So pay really close attention to the wrist work. Look at the flick of the wrists, okay? Because that's where you're going to get that perfect wave. I take it, twist the hair as I'm twisting. See that? Twist as I'm wrapping it around the wand. It's kind of like, for my natural girls, if you're doing twist outs or two-strand twists, you twist your strands, you twist the hair as you twist. Same idea when it comes to wanding. Now, because it's not a curling iron, so it doesn't have a clasp for you to hold the hair, which means you cannot touch the hair to see if the curl is finished. So a good rule of thumb is to hold your hair around the wand for a good 10 to 20 seconds. Anywhere in between there, it really just depends on how high your wand is. Mine is on 410. So I just hold mine for 15 seconds and then I let it go. Well, no. Not let it go. I scrunch it up first just to give it a little time to cool down. I am not using a glove, but I definitely would recommend you to use a glove. I'm just a menace to myself, so clearly I like to burn my hand. Listen, if you don't take anything away from this video, I feel like I say that a lot in my tutorials because I usually have one really important tip, and this is that tip. To flat iron your leave out, this obviously if you have a sew-in, to make sure you straighten your leave out before going in and wanding that last piece. What that's going to do is going to help blend it better. That way you don't have to keep pressing your hair into the wand or disrupting the wand curl you've already created. So just go ahead and do your leave out first before doing that last section. And if you want to see how I got this sew-in, definitely check out this video at the end of this one. Obviously, finish watching this one, then go watch that sew-in video if you want to see how I did my sew-in. I have 2 of those videos, so definitely check both of those out. So once you've straightened your leave out, go ahead and curl that last section. And I think I'm gonna do the other section, other side, off camera, because you've seen one, you've seen the other one. So don't touch those curls, do the other side, then come back. Now I want to spray some more got2b, but that's just to seal those curls. And I like to take my shine spray and spray it onto my feather comb before I comb my curls out. That just adds extra shine. And again, like I said, I don't like to put too much product on there, so that helps me not use too much shine spray, because I can get a little carried away because it smells so good. I'm using the Mazzani Shine Extend. If you want to know, you can get that at Ulta. You can get any product I recommend You can find it at Ulta or Sephora. But yeah, this part is completely up to you. I just like that fullness of the waves, and oh, it's looking so good already. Like, yes ma'am, I did that. But when don't I, when it comes to my hair, look at it. But yeah, no, you can definitely just leave it and just let them fall naturally, because this is how they're going to look as they fall. Just beautiful, luscious waves. And because I have the layers in there, it's just giving full, okay? And I love it here. Definitely check out that sewing video I mentioned, and thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.